So, have you ever wanted to throw a beach rager without having permits or concerns of the police showing up? Well, this is how you do it. Okay, in all seriousness, welcome back. Just a follow-up video to the VO3 flow video that I did the other day. It's up here if you want to check that out. If you really want to have a little fun with Google's new AI tool Flow, then all you have to do is take an existing photo like I have, upload it to Google's AI Flow, and then just use the script that I posted down below. It's free. You can get it right there off my Google Drive and have a little fun with it. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how I did this in under 1 minute. So let's go. Once you've logged into Google's AI Flow, select frames to video option, then just upload the photo you want to use. For me, this was pretty easy because I live in New Jersey, so I have a lot of beach photos here, and this works extremely well. Then just paste the script that I've dropped down below. Use the output per prompt 3. You can do 2 if you want. I like 3. And the VO3 quality. Press enter, and you should end up with something like what you saw in my intro video. It's that easy. That's all I've got for you for this video. Leave a like if you've got any value out of this, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.